Okay, good day, judges. Today we are going to, first of all, show you a physical concept of what we are going to build in the third round of the competition. What you see now is the physical model that we have made using Robo kits. And this model can move around, but we are not able to get the servos right now, but we will get them before our third round. So the robots can move around and it cannot, but by third round, it should be able to pick up and sense different objects. So if I press play, you should see the robot moving in its surroundings and picking up that object, avoid both obstacles and get to the safe destination. And that is basically the concept of our first robot prototype. And then now I will show you the smart dumpster and how it will interact with any refuse that has been put into it. Okay, so this is the animation that we have for the smart dumpster. Basically, as you are seeing from here, if when it loads, you'll be able to see a light source will shine on this. This is an LDR. An LDR is put opposite from a light source on the opposite sides of the smart dumpster, which will be inside the ground. It will be below ground level. So the robot will basically back up into it and then dispose of the refuse into the dumpster. This is the refuse down here to simulate, and this is the robot with its hatch at the back open. And after that, once all the refuse has been piled up, it will get up to the level where it will block the light source from reaching the LDR. And then you will now alert, using that info, the Arduino will now alert the waste management team of any or that it has been blocked, and therefore alerting them that they should come and pick up the waste. And here is the animation in full showing its disposing of the waste. And the way we're going to make it transmit is by using a GSM module, which is going to transmit it through email, which is also explained in this portion of the code. So we have integrated a GSM module in a way that it will send an email whenever an LDR status is the status of the distance that is sensing a light source from. This is this light brightness of whatever it's sensing. And if it senses less or equal to 400, then it will now send an email. It will now initiate the email quote, and this send email quote is basically right here. This will send this is all the commands that we use to send the email from the initial address to a GSM server, and that server will then send the email to waste management. And we want to make all the changes. We will have physically conceptualized all our initial plans, and also now that the model has loaded, and we want to take a deeper look into our model with the same ultrasonic sensor layouts that we had initially during the PowerPoint presentation, with all the servos in place and the arms just used to pack up all the items, which will scoop it up and lift it to the back. And now, if we now hide the body, you should be able to see a wiring, which would hopefully show our efforts that we put into making this design. So you should see all the wires connecting from the Arduino Mega to the servos, to the ultrasonic sensors, to the motor drivers, which will eventually connect to the motors. And this is all the wiring that we have conceptualized into making our model. Thank you.